Most creators in Nigeria are posting content every day and earning nothing. Not because monetization is impossible, but because they are doing it in the wrong order. Here is what actually works. Step 1 is attention. Platforms like YouTube and Instagram reward consistency and clarity. You need content people return to, not just watch once. Step 2 is trust. This is where most creators fail. Sharing useful insights, real experiences, and practical value builds an audience that listens, not just scrolls. Step 3 is monetization. This can come through brand partnerships, digital products, or services, but only works after attention and trust are established. Now here is the key insight. Monetization is not a starting point, it is a result. For introverted entrepreneurs, this is good news. You do not need to chase trends or be loud. You need to be useful, consistent, and patient. Because the Nigerian creators who earn consistently are not guessing. They build attention, earn trust, and then monetize with intention.